Are we at the troll bridge yet? Not yet, Spinel. Oh, are we there yet? Not yet, Spinel. We'll let you know. Okay. Okay, and we're here. Yep, it's the troll bridge, alright. And here comes the grumpy old troll.
What is this? A parade?
Grumpy old troll, can we go over your bridge?
No, you can't go over my bridge. Unless you solve my riddle. And I bet you can't solve it, because you gotta count real fast.
Huh. Count real fast. Okay. Yeah, we like to count real fast. Yeah. Yep, we can count real fast. We like counting very fast. Yep, really fast. I'm a good fast counter of all. Shh. Listen to the grumpy old troll. Go ahead.
Here's my riddle. Tell me, please. How many holes are in this cheese? And you better hurry up and answer it, because this mouse is going to eat up all the cheese.
We can count the holes to the cheese. Alright, let's count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see. I think that's 7 holes.
How many holes were in the cheese?
7.
I can't hear you.
7.
All right. Good counting. Excuse me. All right. You can go over my bridge.
Alright, let's go to the dealership and pick up Tails' brand new car. Tails' brand new car. Oh, guys, can I come too? I think I want to see your brand new car, Tails. Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah, couples together. Sure, Mr. Troll, you can come with us. All right, I can't wait to see your brand new car, Tails. Yeah, me too. We're going to the dealership. All right. All right. We made it over the troll bridge. Where do we go next, Tails? Van, graveyard, bridge, hangout, dealership. We went around the yellow van, check through the graveyard demise, check and over the troll bridge, check. So next is the hangout. Right, the 6th graders hangout. Alright, next up we have to go through the 6th graders hangout. Ooh, the 6th graders. Ooh, the sixth graders. No time to lose. Let's get through the sixth graders hangout, and then we'll be through in no time. Alright, Tails. Alright, let's go. Good thing the grumpy old troll is joining us.